Hi guys, Kendall here, and once again, welcome back to another vlog or yapping session with me as I will share to you that the things that are actually worth your money as a graduating student. So I made a list of the things that I wanted that is super duper worth your money. If you know, you know. But yeah, disclaimer, this video will serve as it serves as it gives you some ideas to add on your wish list. So here's mine. I made a list over here, so I'll be reading it if and I'll be explaining why is it worth your money. Okay, number one, okay, the first category is tech. So number one is an iPhone. So as an Android user, I've been really having this major problems with my phone as paminsan halos di na ako masyado nakakapag-gawa ng isang bagay dahil sa sobrang lag niya. And my phone is also outdated, like 5 years na siyang sa akin. So, I need an upgrade. Number two is an iPad. So, an iPad is parang, it will, or it can help you for academics kasi much bigger yung screen and also for gaming and also for editing. Next is a MacBook. So as an layout artist, so our class creative team, parang my phone, yung phone ko, hindi niya na masyado kaya gawin yung mga workload ng pag-edit ng mga PubMats. So feeling ko, need ko rin ng upgrades like ng MacBook. And lastly is a digicam. So if you are a sweaty bad bitch, so feeling ko deserve mo ng digicam. So I've been really wanting to have a digicam since gusto kong sumali ng photojournalism dahil ang ganda ng overshare. Wow. Basta yon digicam kasi hindi lang yung may something kasi sa digicam na hindi talaga makuha ng mga phone camera. Yung type ng picture, yung crisp, like that. Okay, next is for our academic things na ano. So number one sa academics things I recommend for you guys to have a book for you to read and expand your vocabulary, your knowledge to everything that you would like to read. And next is a bag that is compactful na parang spacious siya kasi as a grade 10 student na na-experience ko pag grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, napapansin ko ang maraming gawain. Lalo na kapag nasa grade 8 and grade 9 ka na dahil may project dito, may project rin dito. So parang hindi na siya magkakasya sa bag mo. Tapos marami ka rin dadalhin sa mga bagay-bagay like role play, speech choir, basta marami, mga costume. So ang mga things or brand lang bag na ma-recommend ko, number one is yung Elite bag. I know it is for sports, but I googled na pwede rin siya sa mga student dahil compactful and spacious yung bag na yon. So parang lahat is papasok doon. Number two, if you don't like the design sa Elite bag kasi nga masyado siyang sporty, I suggest for you guys to have the Lululemon because ang ganda rin ng Lululemon since maganda yung design, medyo spacious rin. So it's a good bag also. Number three, shoes. So, every time kasi sa school ngayon, parang napapansin ko pag maulan, so parang need ko ng maraming shoes. Marami talaga. So, tatlo pa lang naman yung shoes ko, so parang nag-round and round lang ako. So, yeah. Next is makeup, y'all. So, nung ngayon ko lang na-realize na if mag-wear ka ng makeup, makaka-enhance talaga siya ng beauty and ng confidence ng isang tao as you wear the makeup. So, these are my trustees brands for you guys to pick on na pagbilihan ng mga makeup products. So, number one is BLK by Miss Anne Curtis. Yeah, I don't know, Anne Curtis. Next is EC. Next or last is Get Ready With Me. So, yung mga products kasi nila, so like, papaganon ko, magiging ganon kayo. Kasi ang ganda. And worth talaga siya ng money kahit medyo expensive siya. Pero, trust me guys, expensive are, I don't know, better and worth your money. And next is, if you are a Watson's girly, you will love to buy things or products for your body, for your face, for your hair, and for everything from the Lux Lux Organics brand. So, shouty out there. Naging, ano ko ng Lux Organics since grade 7. Mga post na, mga fourth quarter nung na-introduce sa akin yung sunscreen nila. Hanggang ngayon, hanggang nung nag-grade 8 ako, nag-grade 9 ako. Kaso tinapon ko na yun eh. Yung mga bottles ko na may salt scrub. May... Tinago ko na siya. Pero wala nang laman, oh. Wala na yung laman. Baka naman. Ayun. At saka, favorite ko rin yung kanilang body sunscreen. Meron ako nito, yung orange, nung grade 8, grade 9. Nung grade 8 and grade 9 ako kasi favorite ko yung scent, yung effect. And na-discover ko rin to. And y'all, hindi siya joke. Ayun. The best. Kahit konti pa lang yan, tignan niyo yung skin ko. Medyo darken pa siya. Para mapapa-pale niya and mapapa-whiten and mapapantay niya yung color. Look. Hindi ko alam if makita nyo dyan, pero basta yan. Hindi ko alam kung may ano, suntukan na lang. Tsare. Hala, nung ganun. Thank you. Tsare. So, next, if you were going to, if mag-apply ka for UCAT or sa mga scholarship or sa mga college entrance test or exams, you would love to go with an UCAT reviewer book or any college entrance test na book na i-review ka niya. Kasi, girl, mag-grade 11 na ako and doon na mag-start yung journey ko sa pag-apply sa mga colleges. And lastly, the most, and is the Big Four or an UCAT review sin center kasi hindi lang naman kaya ng self-review yung pag-apply for college entrance test. Kailangan mo rin ng may magtuturo sa'yo for their experience, for their knowledge, na ma-share nila sa inyo para magiging kayo ng experience, knowledge, and vocabulary sa matutunan. And that's it as I share to you guys the things that I want to buy on my graduation. Kaya parang gift ko sa sarili ko. But some of the things there will be covered by my mom because she will give it to me. Kasi, guys, nung grade 6 kasi ako, mag-overshare na lang ako as I end this vlog. When I was in grade 6, my mom couldn't come because she is on abroad. And hanggang ngayon, umuwi siya nung grade 7 ako. And then, umalis siya naman nung grade 8 ako. So, nung bumalik siya dito mga 4th quarter ata nung grade 7 ako. And then, nung bumalik siya is second week ng grade 8 ko. Grade 8, basta yun. Second week sa grade 8 ko nun. Tapos, ngayon, hindi pa rin siya nakauwi. Natapos ako mag-grade 9. And uuwi daw siya this grade 10. And she said she will give me some things that I like in life. Yeah, yung mga bagay na gusto ko sa buhay. So, mag-overshare na ako. Nung elementary kasi ako, guys, I graduated as the salutatorian of our batch and I did a speech. I have a lot of awards, but my mom couldn't come because, I don't know, she's working there. Can't mom. And then, tawag dito, I asked her to, what if my next graduation, you will buy things that I want? And she said yes, and she will make ipon, and now we are not that kind of rich, the fact, but yeah, we can afford things na rin since nakapag-ipon na yung mom ko. Grabing achievement yun. Hindi ko nga inakala na may mararating pala ako sa buhay, may title ako sa elementary, hanggang ngayon sa pag-high school, may title na rin. So, yun. Yun na naman, guys. Just keep on going until you will reach the things that are meant for you. So, adios. Ciao, ciao. And this is the end of our vlog. Bye.